Hello guys, welcome to today's videos. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can receive payment with your PayPal account without linking your bank account. In this process, you'll be able to receive payment easily. Just do some copy and paste and receive your payment from anywhere and any part of the world. So I want you guys to stay tuned, watch to the end of this. So guys, in today's video, as I said, I'll be teaching you how to receive your payment without a bank account. So firstly, now that we are in our PayPal platform, you click on login to log into your bank account. And if you know you don't have a PayPal that is receiving payment, I will show a link in my video up above where you can click to watch more about how you can create a PayPal account that receives and sends payment easily. So now I want to log into my PayPal account dashboard. Firstly, I'll put in my password. So you now wait while it loads. So now I'm in my dashboard. Meanwhile, this PayPal account is I used to receive payment and also used to send payment. So looking at it, you see there are different transactions I've already made with this PayPal account, and it's being done easily without any restriction. So now I want to show you how you can be able to receive your PayPal cash to your PayPal account without a bank account or an email address. So first of all, you just got to go to this your PayPal balance, the three button beside, you click on it. You click on this three icon bell. This three icon. First of all, you just click on this three icon beside your PayPal balance. You now go to money page. So meanwhile, we wait while that loads. Now in our money page, you see I have not linked the bank account, but I have linked my debit and my card already. So the next thing we go to send or request payment. So you notice now that it's loading, you just have to wait. So in order to send payment, you click on this to send payment to anybody using their email address, which is the normal way they send payments. But now an easiest way has come where you can just do some copy and paste and receive your payment without you even giving out your email address. So you can see the next thing you now go to more. See it. So if you have created an account and you have not yet created a paypal.me profile, you would see a page which will tell you create your paypal.me, but now I've created mine already. That's why it's showing me manage your paypal.me profile here. So next thing we just got to do is click on this your manage your paypal.me profile to activate that and be able to link up your paypal.me account to receive payment without any stress. So you see it, you click on the icon to open the platform. That's why I said it is now available in all PayPal accounts. That's why I said you just got to watch the video. I'll be dropping in the description below so that you will watch the video of how you can create your PayPal accounts which have these features. Not every PayPal account has these features, so you just have to watch the video in order to create your own that has the same features, so you can have your own paypal.me link which you can just do some copy and paste and send to any of your clients anywhere to receive your payment easily without restriction. Receive payment to your PayPal account easily without restriction. So now this is my paypal.me platform. So anybody that click on my link to pay me, we have to be presented with this dashboard for them to go on. So now this is my paypal.me link and this is my unique username, Godswill Global. So this is just going to be my profile information and it can never be changed, and it has been a permanent pay me link which I'll be using to receive any payment to my PayPal account. So next that I've created, and if you have not created, as I said, go to the video which I'll be putting in the description or anywhere part on this video so that you can be able to create yours so easily. So next thing we just go to share. You see, so this is it. So when I click on copy my link, so this is now a unique link which I will just paste in anywhere to receive the payment easily. So the next thing I'm going to do is paste the link here. So while we wait while it loads, so you see, this is it. This is it. So this is my paypal.me link. So this link is just going to be a universal link which I can use it everywhere and any part. So far I'm just giving them the link, they click on it and send me payment. So as you can see, if I want to send payment to my payme.link, I just place on this send button, and any amount I want to send, the account receives. So we got to hold on while it loads. This is a new features which was just added to the PayPal account. So this one is just so easy for you. So if you have a payme.me link, just do some copy and paste and send it to any of your clients that wants to pay you from any part of the world that also have a PayPal account. So now you see, I can enter the amount I want to send to my PayPal account. So put on your description to show the essence and the reason why you're sending the money, and continue. So after that, you just notice that your money has been withdrawn and you receive your payment instantly without any stress. So this is what this is all about. You see, this is a unique payme link which I receive, and it is a unique one which I'm the only one using this. So anybody that wants to send me money can using this unique name, I receive my money and receive my payment to my PayPal account. So guys, this is all about this video. I just want you to just go to the option, create your own paypal.me link, have a unique link and paste to any platform which you want to receive your payment. So that's all about this video. If you know you have gotten a value from this video, show some like and click on the like button, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, see you in the next video, and bye for now.